Hello everyone, this is Vivek Parma. Welcome you all in Academatics. So today I am going to discuss the solutions from real numbers of Ncert, right? From exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. So the question is, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, right? So in the previous videos of real numbers, we have known that which rational number have terminating and non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, right? So again, we discuss here the as a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating decimal expansion, right? So here, if we have any rational number of the form p upon q, right, where q have factors as 2 or 5 or both, right? If q have factors as 2 or 5 or both, right, then the decimal expansion of a rational number b terminating, right? And except this, if q have factors other than 2 or 5 or both, then the decimal expansion will be non-terminating repeating, right? So we have to, without dividing, right, we have to find which rational numbers will have terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So first we will see in each question one by one, taking in a rational number where p upon q, q has factors of 2 or 5 or both, right? So if you discuss this question number 1, here we have 13 upon 3125, right? So see what are the factors of this will be, what are the factors of this will be. So here 3125 will be written as 5 to the power 5, right? It means this rational number will have terminating decimal expansion. Why? Because this number have factors as 5, right? For question number 2, we have here 17 upon 8 terminating decimal expansion. For question number 2, we have 17 upon 8, right? Here this 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Here also only 2 is present, right? It means the decimal expansion will be terminating, right? If we have any numbers other than 2 or 5 or both, right, then the decimal expansion will be non-terminating repeating, right? See, for this number 3, we have 64 upon 455. 64 upon 455, right? Or this can be written as 5 into 7 into 13, right? So see here, except 5, here numbers are 7 and 13, right? So this will give non-terminating, non-terminating, non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, decimal expansion, right? For question number 4 now, we have here 15 upon 1600, right? So see, in this 1600 we will have for 15 upon 1600, right? And this can be written as 2 to the power 6 into 5 square, right? See here, the factors of this 1600 is here 2 and 5, right? So the decimal expansion will be terminating, right? See, for another, this is here 29 upon 343, right? As we know, this 343 can be written as 7q, right? And factors are here only 7, right? It means the decimal expansion of this expression will be non-terminating repeating, right? See here, in this expression, the denominator part as here 2 to the power 3 and 5 square, right? It means decimal expansion of this expression will be terminating, right? See, question number 7 here. Here in denominator part, here 2, 5 as well 7 present, right? So because of this 7, the decimal expansion of this expression will be non-terminating repeating, right? See here, this is a confusing question, right? Here 6 upon 15, right? So here 6 upon 15. Question number 8, right? 6 upon 15, which can be written over here 3 into 5, here 3 to the 6, 2 upon 5, right? Here only is 5, right? It can be terminating, right, as 5 in the denominator part, right? See for next, in question number 9, here is 35 upon 50, right? So 50 can be written as 2 into 25, right? So here is 2 as well, 5 is present, right? It can be, this will have terminating decimal expansion. In question number 10, we have 77 upon 210, right? So this will have, and this will can be, this will be written as 3 into 2 into 5 into 7, right? See here, numbers 3 and 7 are present, right, other than 2 and 5. It means the decimal expansion of this expression will be non-terminating repeating, right? So the most important to retain in mind is what? which rational number can be written as terminating and non-terminating repeating. So you have to retain in mind is what? Any number p upon q where q have factors as 2 or 5 or both, right? It means the decimal expansion of rational number be terminating. If you have except 2, 5, you have another numbers, right? Then the decimal expansion will be non-terminating repeating, right? Let's move to the next question. So in question number 3, we have the following real numbers have decimal expansions as given below, right? In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form p upon q, what can you say about the prime factors of q, right? So in the rational number, we have studied in the previous video, right? The decimal expansion of rational number will be possible as rational for rational number two types of decimal expansions are possible for a terminating, and for second B non-terminating, terminating repeating, right? So we have to see here if they are rational and of the form p upon q, what can you say about the prime factors of q, right? So in question number first, we have here 4 3 43.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So see, this is right terminating decimal expansion. It means the decimal expansion is terminating and it can be written as p upon q, right? And the factors of this q will be as 2 or 5 or both, right? So the factors of this q will be possible here 2 or 5 or both, right? Because this is terminating decimal expansion. For example 2, here 0.1201200 times 0, right? Dot dot. It means this is not a real number, sorry, rational number, right? Here this is decimal expansion like non-terminating, non-repeating, right? So that's why this is not a rational. So we take another. Here is a 43.123456789, and there is a reckoning over these number, this decimal number, right? Decimal part. It means this is a rational number, right? And it can be written as p upon q, where q will have factors other than 2 or 5, right? Why? Because this will have here this, the decimal expansion of this is what? Non-terminating repeating. That's why the factors of this will have factors will be other than factors will be other than 2 or 5, right? So today we complete the real numbers, right? And we will now discuss in the next session of our video, which is polynomials, right? Thank you.